Hi, I'm Brent Portera, Vice President of Technology Services with GoodSuite. Regular backups ensure your organization mitigates the amount of potential data loss during a ransom event. It's important that you back your data up both locally and in the cloud, making sure that you have more than one copy of your data to recover. Unfortunately, the most vulnerable area in your organization sits between the keyboard and the office chairs, and that's the human element. It's important that you educate your users of what potential harm and what phishing emails look like. Knowledge is power. The human firewall element is often overlooked. It's your organization's responsibility to make sure that your end users don't become the weak link in the security fabric. It's important that your organization understands what users have access to what data within your organization. Unfortunately, common habit is it's a free-for-all. By limiting user access, you can assure that if a breach is to happen, it limits the exposure that your organization is going to have.